I'm Brian Bismey with Cowboy Harley-Davidson of Austin. We will be explaining how to polish aluminum. Okay, this process can take a long time. What we need to do first is get our piece down to a smooth finish, which is going to require different grades of sandpaper. We're going to start with our coarser grit, and we'll end up with our finer grit of about 800 to 1,000. Using the sandpaper with the varying grits can take quite a few hours to get our surface finish to the flat finish that our polish will work on. It has to be smooth, it has to be free of burrs and grit, and this can take quite a while. Once our surface is smooth and down to 1,000, we want to take our polishing compound some of it on our surface, take a clean cloth, and in a circular motion we're going to rub and rub and rub until you can start pulling the aluminum to a mirror-like finish. This can take quite a long time to do. All it takes is just more effort. Once we start getting the finish that we like, we need to flip our rag over, and with pretty hard force, we need to get the rest of the polishing compound off of the piece that we're polishing. I don't know if you can see the difference. Polished surfaces in the middle, the non-polished surfaces on the edge. You can see the difference that it makes. The more compound we put on this and the harder we polish, the shinier it's going to get. We just need to make sure that we have a clean rag and that we're not introducing more scratches into the piece of material. And keep on rubbing. Eventually it will get to a mirror finish and the surface is done. I'm Brian Bismey from Cowboy Harley-Davidson of Austin. This is how we polish aluminum materials.